Today I want to talk about two ways that we use faecal egg counting, investigating the worm burden in our sheep. So I've been out and I've collected some faecal samples. And what I was looking for were nice fresh samples, ones that didn't have too much grit or dirt in them, and they obviously were warm. I want them to be nice and fresh because in the old faecal samples the eggs may have hatched and I won't be able to see them. It's very important then we fill out the form. I need to know which farm the samples are from, what animal, is it sheep or cattle, and what you're trying to look for. So the two ways that we use a faecal egg count is these go to the lab, they then count the number of eggs and the 2 grams of feces. This can help determine the worm burden of my sheep to indicate whether or not they need a drench. The other way I use a faecal egg count is by doing a drench check, where I take faecal samples 1 to 2 weeks after the drench to make sure there aren't any eggs present at all. If there are eggs in this sample 1 to 2 weeks after the drench, then I know my drench hasn't been fully effective. So if you want to take a faecal egg count of stock on your farm, contact our store to get some bottles and the forms, fill out the form and put them in the fridge until you can bring them into the store, and we will send them off to the lab to have them analysed.